So today I want to talk about how to look at a construction site. So first you find a construction site, then you just look at it like that. Hey, they're building a building. As always, rock and roll. Of course, it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, you know what to do. Subscribe, you all. Compute that, y'all. They're building a building. It's being built right now. Compute it.